In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on your Kia Sorento. Located under the hood, let's get started. The map sensor is located in the throttle body housing. For that, we're going to be using an 8mm socket to remove the bolt that holds it in place. Loosen the bolt. And take it out. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and unplug the sensor, and for that we're gonna squeeze on the tab and pull down on the connector. Now that we have our sensor disconnected, we're gonna go ahead and wiggle the sensor side to side to take it off. As you wiggle, you want to go ahead and pull back on it to slide it out, just like that. Before we install the new sensor, what I like to do is I like to grab some silicone and get the new O-ring lubed up. We don't need much. Simply grab some, put it around it, and make sure you get all around the sensor. It should look like that. This will ease the installation. Now we can go ahead and install the new sensor. When you do this, make sure you lined up the holes. Install the bolt by hand. And now we're gonna go ahead and bottom it out. Once we have it bottomed out, we're gonna go ahead and torque it to 9 foot-pounds. And now we're ready to plug it back in. And that is job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.